Hey, it's Rob Travels with Dottie here, and it is Saturday, and I believe it is the 3rd of August, 2024, and I'm here at my beautiful camp in Eagle Nest, New Mexico. And today I want to talk to you about the reasons I love my trailer and my truck. You have lots of options on what kind of rig that you choose from. You can be in a Prius and camp out of that all the way up to a big old Class A diesel, and they all have their advantages and disadvantages. And take a walk with me, and I'm going to talk to you a little bit about the advantages for me. And while we're doing this, you're going to see the beautiful area that I'm in. So my number one advantage of having a travel trailer is it's pulled by my trusty F-150. It's a 2018 Ford F-150 XLT. It's not a four-wheel drive, it's a two-wheel drive. It has a towing capacity stated on Ford materials of about 11,000 pounds. My trailer, fully loaded with all my stuff, is, I don't know, 5,000 or so. It's well below the towing capacity, which makes it very safe, and it makes me very comfortable. One of the places I'm going to take you here, and I'm going to be real careful about getting my flying selfie stick through the gate here, is we're going to walk on the trail towards the lake here. So you won't mind so much looking at the back of my head. Okay, I'm going to see how well this does. Follow me through without crashing. Come on, you can do it, you can do it. And there it comes. All right, I made it. What I'm going to do here is shut that gate. And there we go. And let's go walk down to the lake. So, what's the big deal about the truck? I like camping in one place for long periods of time. You might notice, like earlier in the summer and last summer, I was in New Mexico state parks, and I had to move every 2 weeks because those are the rules. Here, I'm in a private RV park. I'm going to be here for almost 2 months. So being able to move around at will without breaking camp is a big deal to me. And that's important. Now, granted, you can have a Class A or a Class C and tow a vehicle behind it. Some people like that. I don't really like the idea of that. That's 2 engines I got to worry about. 2 motor vehicles. Right now, I only have 1, and I can easily get it worked on anywhere. It's a Ford F-150. It's a pretty standard thing. The other thing is there's a limited number of things that can really break on my trailer. The most expensive thing is like a $2,000 3-way refrigerator, right? If that were to break and I had to replace it, $2,000 and plus a couple hundred more to have a professional install it for me and get rid of the old one, we're talking $2,500. But I have other options. I can get a 120 volt because I have a robust lithium system, or I can get a 12 volt, a fraction of that, way under $1,000, all said and done. Hot water heater, $500 to replace that. AC, about $1,000 to replace that. So the major components of things that can go wrong are a known quantity for me. So if all that goes wrong, let's say I lose the furnace, I lose the AC, I lose the hot water heater, I lose the refrigerator. Worst case, around $5,000, all that stuff is replaced with brand new stuff. That's a big deal. That gives me peace of mind. All right. I've got to replace those tires every few years. They're probably $300 or $400 a piece. So $1,200, that's a known quantity. I got a big Class A or a Class C. I have a major engine problem. That can be thousands and thousands of dollars. I get good friends of mine that invested in a used Class A, and they were on one of the few trips that they've taken. It cost them way over $10,000 in unexpected repairs. That's mechanical repairs on the engine, transmission, etc. I don't want to have that pressure that looming over me. So this is why I love my rig so much. It's not big, but for me, it's comfortable. That's today's video. I hope you enjoy it. You disagree with me, agree with me, whatever, talk about it in the comments. Educate each other. If you have information that you think I left off here or things I didn't consider, I would love to hear it. Just if I really feel strongly that I'm wrong, tell me. Please be polite about it, and I'll listen to you. Take care and have a great day, and check out this lake. Isn't that amazing, that lake? It is. I just love, love, love it here in the mountains. Eagle Nest, New Mexico. I appreciate you watching my videos. I appreciate you, and I'm grateful. Thank you. Now put up my hand, and it's going to land on it.